The Perseid meteor shower is expected to reach its peak this weekend over August 11th and 12th. So what are meteors? Well, the solar system is littered with many small rocks called meteoroids. These are mostly pebble-sized, though they can get much larger, the size of a large bus, for example. But most of them are very small pebbles. And they're found all throughout our solar system. Some left over from the formation of the planets and objects in our solar system, others that have fallen off of larger objects in the solar system, such as comets. The Perseids happen to have fallen off of a comet that we know of called Comet Swift-Tuttle. And so, because it fell off of Comet Swift-Tuttle, as the comet melts each time it passes close to the Sun, the region of space where it passed through has a lot more meteoroids than common, meaning that there are more of them to crash into Earth than on average, meaning that we get a lot more of these meteor events. So when one of these small rocks, pebbles, crashes into the Earth's atmosphere and collides with the Earth, it does so moving extremely fast. This causes it to have a lot of friction in the Earth's atmosphere and burn up. So what we then see is the hot heat and flash of light of this rock burning up in our atmosphere, and it's that flash of light that we call a meteor, also called a shooting star. It's an object very different than a star. It's a little pebble, not a giant star like the Sun, but it kind of looks like a star flashing across the sky to the unaided eye. But really all it is a rock crashing into the Earth. Most of these present no harm toward humans because they'll burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. But some of them are large enough that they can crash all the way down to the Earth, leaving a rock behind. And so that little bit of rock that's left behind that didn't quite burn up in the Earth's atmosphere crashes into the Earth, causing a crater. And a rock is left behind at the center of that. At that point, the rock that's left behind is called a meteorite. So there's a lot of confusion between these similar terms, meteoroid, meteor, and meteorite. Remember, the meteoroid is the rock while it's still in space. The meteor is the flash of light that the rock generates as it burns up in the Earth's atmosphere. A meteorite is the rock that's left behind if it reaches all the way to Earth's surface.